In this video guide, we will give you instructions to remove the new ransomware that is called Payk, P-A-Y-K. The video guide will show you what exactly this ransomware does with your files and how exactly it affects them. The purpose of this Payk ransomware is to encrypt the data on the hard drive of your system in order to force the victim to pay the ransom for the file restoration. Definitely before the ransomware attack, people are able to open their files without any problems. They can open pictures, music, Microsoft Office and other data. But because of certain vulnerabilities in the security system of the computer, the ransomware Payk may somehow enter the computer and start performing its malicious function. Sooner or later, you may discover that you can no longer open your files. And by the way, you may open the task manager of the system and discover some suspicious processes running in the background. Typically, these processes are with the long random names and they don't really make any sense. So if you see such processes with long random names, it's a good idea that you end their task by right-clicking and ending their task. This is in order to stop the further file encryption. Unfortunately, some people don't realize that something wrong is going on, and after they restart the computer, they see this Payk extension added to all the files. The ransomware then tells the victims to pay the ransom for the file restoration. Obviously, trying to open these files doesn't work anymore. People cannot open their files, and removing the Payk extension does not decrypt the file. That's another problem. We strongly advise that you do not pay this ransom, and paying the ransom does not guarantee that you would get your files back. So what we recommend you to do is to go to the C drive or any other system drive that you have, program files, go to Internet Explorer and start Internet Explorer browser. We recommend you to download Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware through the official site combocleaner.com. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect this ransomware, remove it effectively, and to protect your data from being damaged in the future. So run the installer, install the application, and then perform the thorough investigation of your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress, and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protected against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware, and as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.